So sodium bicarb is a very, very interesting, we'll call it a supplement, again, because you're supplementing your diet. So again, bee pollen's a supplement, even though it's natural, but you're just supplementing your diet. That's all. Coffee is a supplement. Tea is a supplement, right? These are just supplements. We just kind of like find our favorite supplements and then we say those are okay. And the other ones we say, oh, no, that's not okay, right? It's very funny how we all create these dogmas around what's acceptable and what's not. But sodium bicarbonate, and you go easy. Again, if you decide to read the book and use it, start at a quarter of a teaspoon. Don't start at a teaspoon. And don't use it with meals, because with a meal, it will actually shut down your stomach acid production because it's very alkaline and you're trying to create an acid-based fluid in the stomach with your hydrochloride, your pepsin hydrochloride, in order to better break down protein. So this may be best used. If I were a person that was using this, I would use it right before bed. And you can see the different uses of how sodium bicarbonate's been used over the years. So am I recommending sodium bicarb to everyone? No, of course not. I'm not an all for everyone kind of person. And you'd also want to look into why you might have the imbalances of why you'd need sodium bicarb in the first place. But it's a short book. Dr. Mark Circus, I believe is how you pronounce that name right here. Very short. I think it's only like, 150 pages, but it's also a very easy read. Well, I shouldn't say it's an easy read. It has a lot of good science in there, but it's written in a way that's very easy and approachable, in my opinion.